Persistent food odors within your apartment building, hotel, or assisted living facility can be a huge struggle, and we understand how these odors can make spaces less welcoming. In this video, we'll explore a range of solutions that can help you eliminate these odors quickly and effectively. Cooking odors can linger long after a meal has been cooked, making spaces feel less inviting for both residents or visitors. Fortunately, we offer many solutions to this very issue at State, and are going to break down each of them, starting with automated fragrance systems. Our automated fragrance systems can be a great option for consistently eliminating odors from cooked food if you do not want to spray products manually throughout the day. We offer a variety of customizable systems that will dispense a wide range of fragrances and eliminate odors with our SE500 odor elimination technology, up to 750,000 cubic feet. Simply have your State Chemical representative install your system of choice in the desired area and walk away. It's that simple. Your representative will even check in every 30 days and replace your system's fragrance when necessary. Interested in learning more? Check out our detailed video to help you find the perfect automated fragrance system for your facility at the first link below. For more direct odor control, especially in high traffic or problem areas, we have a range of solutions. First, let's talk about our aerosol odor eliminator, Tradewinds. This powerful dry fine mist spray is designed to provide complete elimination of foul odors with ease by utilizing our SE500 odor eliminating technology. Simply spray the product a few short bursts and wait as the fragrance blooms and the odors go away. Due to the dry spray, this product is great for usage in a wide variety of areas like dining rooms, concession areas, cafeterias, and is even safe to be used on fabric. Similar to Tradewinds, another option we have is Air Savors and Savors Eco, which are water-based fragrance deodorizers. These products are a great option if you are looking for a small and portable solution to your odors. If you have guests with scent sensitivities or are looking for a more subtle option compared to Tradewinds, but are still looking for the odor elimination power of SE500, Air Savors Eco is the solution for you. For application, mist 1 or 2 sprays into the air, whether that be in lunchrooms, kitchens, dining areas, but make sure to avoid spraying wood or plastic surfaces. Just one contains 1,500 sprays, making it an economical option. Next up on the list is Kontrol, which is State's concentrated smoke eliminator and air freshener. This product is very versatile and can be used in its concentrated form or diluted with water. Kontrol can be applied in any area where you are experiencing malodors through a spray bottle or a mechanical fogger like State's Fogmaster Jr. and also contains our SE500 odor elimination, allowing this product to penetrate carpets or fabrics to get to the root of your cooked food odors. Last on our list is Gel Genie, which is a clinging gel deodorant that is great for directly treating problem areas in your kitchen like garbage cans. This concentrated deodorizer releases a fragrance as the product evaporates and leaves behind minimal residue. Just shake the can well and spray on the desired non-porous surface, and you will quickly smell the powerful Gel Genie fragrance rather than the garbage. It is important to note that these solutions do not just work well at eliminating cooked food odors, but any odors that you may be experiencing across your facility, such as in restrooms, lobby areas, or any other area odors may persist. If you are interested in any of our solutions, feel free to dig a little deeper by viewing content for any of the mentioned products linked below, or by hitting the Contact Us button to get into contact with one of our trained professionals for a survey of your facility.